Hello guys, welcome to a new video. Today, me and Sebas are killing purple in this Bedwars. Yes, it's based off of the challenge. If you get a kill, a random sound plays. And no, it doesn't just randomly play. Sebas plays it. Oh.
Yeah, because we don't have a mod.
Clip! Clip! Yes! No! Bruh. It counts for deaths as well?
No, it doesn't. I got a kill.
Bro, that's too long. That's too long. I'm gonna get canceled. I'm so sorry about that, guys. He played one that's extremely long and is gonna get me canceled.
It's non-copyright.
Kill. Right there. Kill. I mean clip. Same thing. Are we going in? Fair enough. No! Bro, where were you? Am I the sacrifice? Bro, am I the sacrifice?
You sacrifice me in every video.
No, I don't. I don't sacrifice you. It's
Yes, you do, man.
okay. Yeah, whatever. I'm just gonna get I'm gonna get the bed break. Let's just say that. Oh, none of them are at their base. Go straight to their base. Sebas, go to their base. None of them are there.
I'm going.
Yeah, they're following me. They're following me. Oh, one's following you. One is following you.
I'm going to purple.
Oh.
Sacrificial lamb. Seriously, man?
Come here, purples. There are 4 of you and 1 of me. Oh, 3 of us and 4 of you. Ah, nah, you charge when it's harder? Dang, bro. Oh, 2 kills. I got 2. Wait, can anyone bridge? Oh, you want me to bridge? Bro. Are you at purples?
I'm looking at them.
I'm hoping that you become the sacrificial lamb so I don't. Are you about to play a sound?
Wait. No, not yet.
I'm going to God bridge to purples. Bro, if I die, you're probably gonna play a sound, but I don't really care.
No, I'm not.
You probably will, but...
No, I won't. Like, I actually mean it. I won't.
Okay.
I'll take some blocks from your tower so I can bridge there.
Yeah, I'm God bridging! Oh, I ran out of blocks. Help! Help! Am I the sacrificial lamb? Help! Help! Oh, I'm kind of sounding a bit like a fake dream right now.
Oh, wait, you kill people. So
Yeah, I got a kill. Nah. Bro, I'm stuck in their base! There are 4 of them after me! There are 4 of them! Yes, I escaped. That is why I'm the best. Okay, fine, I'm not gonna say it. I'm not gonna say it! No! I literally escaped them so well. Let's go. Let's go! Are you? Yeah, I mean go. Yeah, go! Let's go! Do you have blocks?
Run, just run in.
No, they're going to block trap me. Bro, do you have blocks?
No.
Because I'm gonna aura God bridge. Trust me, Sebas, I'm an amazing God Bridger. Oh no, you're about to play something. Yeah, see? Because it's true. Bro. Stop! Okay, you can stop. Oh, it's too long. It's too long. Bro, like half the video is going to be just random sounds playing. Wait, I'm going up. I'm going in. I'm going up and in. Oh, that's sad. No! At least I got 2 kills in there.
I killed 2 people.
Nice. Nice.
Like that.
Okay.
I'm not humiliating you.
Okay.
Why would I? I'm not totally teaming.
Yeah, fair enough.
Come on.
Let's both go in. Stay at the top and camp. Camp up here. Camp! This is an amazing place to get clips. No, I'm being killed. I'm being killed. Oh!
I'm being killed. But I killed somebody.
Oh, dang, you're mocking yourself? Okay.
No, I killed somebody.
No! No! Oh, no. No! I got killed by a skeleton while falling. Bruh, come on.
What? It's just fun to play soundboards.
Bruh. Right after I die.
No, I did not mean that. Now what purpose?
Void.
Oh, he trapped, bro. The turret.
Hey, don't worry about this. I'm a God Bridger. Go in, teammate. No! I hate turrets. And teammates left. They just left when I went in.
Wait, now.
Hey, I can God Bridge to purples.
I'm sure about it.
Yeah. Why did we even do this challenge in the first place?
Because we thought it was something fun.
It is, but still. Kill him, come on. Nah, you're too lazy. I'm going in from a... Play a sound, I dare you, just do it. Oh, teammate is in. Teammate is in.
And teammate is out. You know what's teammate? The
Which?
sacrificial lamb.
The sacrificial lamb. Why do you keep calling it that? Kill. I got a clip and a kill. Kill. I got 2 kills. Is it random? Okay, 3 kills coming up. Oh, never mind. 2 deaths are coming up. Bro, abandon me. Why am I the sacrificial lamb? What did I do? What I do? Bro, these purples are really strong. They can kill us. Oh, you just got a kill?
I said I will play at random times.
Oh, okay. Ah, it's so relaxing now without the sounds. Ooh, okay. I'm going in, I'm going in, I'm going in! Yes! I'm in. No. They're targeting me. They're targeting me. Oh, come on, my sprint stopped.
I died.
Bro, this is pointless. I mean, if we had teammates' gear.
It's coming. The death match is coming. Let's see us get upgraded.
Yeah. You get sharpness, I'll get regen.
Why don't we get any?
No, not any, bro.
Like, we get everything. And we get gear. 3 minutes and 30 seconds.
Yeah, let's speed run this like Pokeger would.
Yes, but do not be arrogant.
Nah, you did that after you said arrogant.
Yeah, because that actually fits in, right?
Yeah. Pokeger actually became from just a fan to the 5th collaborator. Imagine that. Imagine you're a fan and you become the 5th collaborator. I got a kill, technically. They were chasing me and died in the void.
Yeah, so I did it at the perfect time.
Come here, Purple. Come
Get
here.
over here.
Come here. Oh no.
Took it too personally.
Nice. Let's go in. Teammate is going in, so we should as well. Go in. Bruh, I'm the Am I the sacrificial lamb? Yeah, I guess. Kill! I got a kill? Wait, what about for clips? Kill? No, I'm about to die. Bruh, right after I said that.
But you got 2 kills, so I have to
Am I the sacrificial lamb?
No, I'm fighting you.
Am I the one really being sacrificed?
Yeah.
Bruh. Oh, the deathmatch is coming. We are killing them.
Get upgrades.
Let's get sharpness and
That's a warning.
get sharpness and get a health boost. You get health boost, I'll get sharpness. Bro, if you really get terrifying turrets.
I died. You have to get everything now.
Are you serious? Oh, blue is I'm about to get a clip. There, got a clip. Not really a clip, that was a kill. Sorry.
Did you say clip?
Yeah. Nah, bro, you just did that on purpose. Oh, be careful. Purple, our bed is exposed. Oh, nice. I'm at mid, by the way.
Yeah, me too. I'm right behind you.
Oh, no. Are they camping up there? No, they're not. Oh, actually, they're heading up there.
Don't worry, I have blocks.
Wait, really? Can I have some?
Nah, I'm gonna get them.
Bro! bro. That's what happens. That's what happens when you mess with me.
I did not break this. I'm gonna get up another way.
Bro, teammates, stop. Just stop. Off, please. No. You stupid. 1 9 plus 10.
Attacking one of them.
Oh, be careful.
One of them down.
Oh, okay, I'm getting him. Oh no, if you die. Oh no! I just got a kill. Ooh, what is wrong with you? Seriously, there's something wrong. Oh, I'm fighting two up here. My totem's about to get popped. It got popped. No, bro. Bro, like, I popped both of their totems. Come on, teammate, win! You have like 10 times better gear than that dude. Oh, you're losing. Teammate is losing to purple. Oh, other teammate is helping. Come on, just come on. There you go. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye, guys.